Hey, announce yourself.
Yo, Ty the Fly Guy over here, you know what I'm saying? We about to catch these dubs.
Kenny Yo.
Elijah, aka Supreme, you know what it is, man. Zeus, you already know the vibes.
All right. Kevin, you finna get in? Oh, hold on.
White.
To his brother.
That white bumper.
What's your name?
Kevin!
Oh, the little brother won. Dog, come on, dog.
Ain't no Modelo's in me this time.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
Ain't no Modelo's in me this time.
No Modelo's?
Ain't no Modelo's in me this
He had
time.
him by a couple.
I fucked it up. I thought it was on your mark and set, go.
We got to run it back?
Yeah, we gotta run that back. Yeah. Yo, for real.
Hold on. Ty, that's the first time I seen someone even keep up with you.
Hey, over here. I'm trying to be in the next one, though.
Go. Hey, the dog was like, y'all ain't running now. Hey, little man got you again. Yeah.
He ran into me. Oh no, Vader almost got ran over.
Hold on, you want me to lock the dog in the barbershop?
Honestly,
No, he's my dog now.
I know they did 23 on my
What's
jersey,
up?
but
Hold on, man. I ain't see.
I'm a man.
Huh?
I'm a full spray in the wild, right?
Go. One down. You almost had that one too, the shoes. The dog is back. Is that 3? You almost had that one.
The shoes.
where's my tacos?
Tacos for this guy?
I think I'm not getting beat that bad.
Hey, what kind of Modelo's were you drinking yesterday, man?
Bro.
He said I need the name of those.
Yeah, I'm tapped out. That shit.
That's it?
I heard. That's what I heard.
Get that angle. My angle's this way.
That's how we're looking at it. Da-da-da. Well, stop trying to be a pretty boy, man.
Hey man, my eye twitched a little bit because I'm ready.
Stop trying to be a pretty boy, man. Stop looking at lips. You ain't old Cool J, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, clean up your brows a little bit.
You know, clean my brows up?
Yeah. All right, guys. If you watch the NBA, you will see this haircut on a lot of players. If you have curly hair, this is pretty much the go-to haircut. Some type of a fade, shadow fade, skin taper, skin fade. This one's gonna be a shadow fade with a skin taper. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Anyhow, we're gonna do a 3 on top. Pin the hair up. Take the 3 all the way around the top. The bottom of his hair, we're gonna use a 1.5. I usually use a 1, but his hair is thin, so the 1.5 looks about on par with a 1. So we're just gonna take the 1.5, go all the way around, start this fade up. We're gonna bring the 1.5 together with the 2 guard, and then we're gonna use the wall 1.5 guard. So just follow the clips, they're pretty easy to see. This is a 2, it's taking out the dark areas. There's the 1.5, blends already come together. I'm gonna do a little detail work around the skin taper just so I have a line of detail when I'm done with it. Make the taper pop out a little bit more. I like to use the corner of the blade when I'm doing any small areas or detail work. Since we're doing a little skin taper here, the corner does wonders. And we're just going from the blade all the way closed, slightly open it up a little bit more. We're taking out that bottom line. Now we got that half guard on, and we're just smoothing the transition, fading around the ear so there's no dark areas. This video is also in 4K, guys, so if you want to throw it on the TV, it will look great. It's a bigger file size, so go ahead and like and subscribe for these uploads. Appreciate it. Usually I would fade all the way around. I've been cutting his hair so long, so I'm actually just doing it in sections, which is probably not the best way, but I do get bored sometimes. So we're just gonna keep going around with the 1.5, the 3, and just do what we were doing on the other side. If you're starting out, I suggest you start with the back taper. That's usually the best way to get into the groove of cutting hair, because the back tapers just look so good, and then move into the side. But I get bored, man. I do different stuff. So right here we're taking the 1.5, and we're just connecting everything. Then we're going to start up this back taper. Alright, we're just opening and closing the blade. We're going from a 1/2 or 1, whatever this is, open. And we're just creating our guideline and fading up to it, because we have a big canvas right here. Now we got that one guard on closed. We're just gonna start connecting the shadow fade with the taper. There's a 1/2 guard. Using corner of the blade, opening and closing as needed. Getting that detail work in there. Alright guys, the same steps apply on this side, so you can just follow along. You don't have to hear me talking through this. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My boy also has a channel too. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel up right now, and go ahead and subscribe to his channel. His channel's pretty funny. Him and his girlfriend be pranking each other all the time. So they just started, so go show some love for them. And I'll be back next week. Hope everyone's safe out there. Peace.